Welcome to our third video on our Pranic Activation course. I am Abidugal, and today we are diving deeper into our Pranic Activation journey together. You've already learned how to sense the power of your breath through Ujjayi Pranayama and diaphragmatic breathing we practiced in previous videos. Today we go a little bit deeper into the nature of prana. What is this prana? And just understanding prana is like understanding how the ice cream tastes. But the real taste of ice cream you can only tell when you eat the ice cream, when you experience it through your senses. All amount of knowledge about the ice cream cannot do justice. So today, let's taste that energy, the pranic energy, together. See, according to yogic sciences, we are composed of 5 different elements. The whole universe is composed of 5 different elements. And the pranic nourishment happens on 5 different levels in our body: fire, water, earth, space, and air. So each of these elements in the universe carry prana. And more we tune in with the environment around us, the more efficient our body becomes to assimilate, to absorb this prana and retain this prana in the body. So there is a fire element in the body. The pranic activation of that fire element happens through the sun. The water element happens through when we drink water. The earth elements get nourished by the food we eat, the air element from the air we breathe, and the space element gets nourished by meditation, by connecting with that space element through meditation and silence. So, more pranic energy you can store in the body by using these principles, better our life becomes. So, today let's talk about how we can efficiently process this prana and our body can become smarter and more efficient in storing this prana, this energy in our body for when we need it. When prana enters in the body, it separates into 5 different functions depending on where this prana, where this energy is operating inside your body. These are called Pancha Vayus, 5 different Vayus in your system. So in this video, we'll talk about 2 of these distinctions, 2 of these, and then in the later videos, we'll cover the rest of the 3. The first one is called Prana Vayu. The second one is called Apana Vayu. And the rest of the 3, Samana, Uddiyana, and Vyana, we'll cover in the next video. So let's stick to the Prana Vayu and Apana Vayu. So the energy that rises the human body is called pranic energy. The energy that grounds you is called Apana Vayu. So think of a tree on a sunny day. It's soaking up this energy from the sun through its leaves, and the energy gets distributed all throughout the tree. This is called your Prana Vayu. This is the energy of upliftment, expansion, and receiving. So now let's talk about where this Prana Vayu operate in your body. The home of Prana Vayu is the chest, the thoracic region of your body. And you can feel it with each inhale as life coming in. Now let's practice together. Feel the energy, prana, breath coming into your chest. Expand the chest. Amazing. And as you exhale, allow the breath to come out naturally. Now, when you exhale, you feel this grounding energy leaving your body. This is your Apana Vayu, the detox system of your body. The body gets rid of all the things it doesn't need through Apana Vayu. For each Vayu, we'll have a separate mudra. For Prana Vayu, we have Prana Mudra. How do you make Prana Mudra? You bring the small finger and your ring finger to touch the tip of the thumb. Now let's talk about the Apana Vayu. Every strong, healthy tree needs deep, strong roots. And that's what Apana Vayu does. The Apana energy, it helps you ground. It helps you get rid of anything you don't need. From your body's perspective, the home for Apana Vayu is your abdominal region, lower abdomen region. And you can feel this in our breathing exercise as we exhale with the roots growing deeper. So, first, let's talk about the Prana Vayu, how you can experience the Prana Vayu in the chest. Let's experience it by doing the breathing. So, to exaggerate the Prana Vayu, what we're going to do is we'll interlace the palms just like this, bring them overhead. When you do this, notice what happens in the body. Notice how your lungs just have more room to expand. Inhale fully on a count of 6. Hold the breath in 3 and let go. Exhale 6. Inhale again. Pay attention to your chest as you're breathing in. Hold 3. Exhale 6. Inhale 6. Hold 3. And exhale 6. Inhale 6. Hold 3. Exhale 6. 3 more times. Now we're gonna elongate this breath. Inhale for 6, holding for 6, and exhale 9. Inhale 6. Hold 6. Allow the prana to slowly start absorbing in the body. Exhale 9. Inhale 6. Hold 6. Exhale 9. Inhale 6. Hold 6. Exhale 9. Now you can bring your arms down, but continue breathing this way. Inhale for 6, hold for 6, exhaling 9, and continue breathing into your thoracic cavity. Also, now we engage in Prana Mudra. Prana Mudra would help take this to a different level. It will help your body absorb this prana at a deeper level. So bring the pinky finger, the small finger tip, and the ring finger tip to the tip of the thumb and continue breathing. Inhale 6. Hold. Exhale 9. Inhale 6. Hold. Exhale 9. Inhale 6. Hold. Exhale 9. Beautiful. Very slowly start to open your eyes. All right, my friends. So whenever you need a boost of energy, you do this pranayama and breathe deep, long, and slow breath. Now we go on to experience the Apana Mudra. This is the area under the belly. in your pelvic area. So we'll do some breathing exercises to engage this area a little better. First, we go into the diaphragmatic breathing, which means you breathe into your belly first, fill up the chest, and as you exhale, continue pulling the belly in, pull the belly in towards your chest, pull the belly in towards your spine, and exhale fully. To exaggerate this exhale, we'll do a little spinal twist. So inhale again, 6. Exhale towards the right. Inhale, 6. Exhale, 9 towards the left. Continue pulling the belly in. Inhale, 6. Exhale, 9. Empty your belly. Inhale, 6. Exhale, 9. Inhale, 6. And exhale, 9. Beautiful. Leverage the arm strength to go a little bit deeper in the twist. Inhale, 6. Exhale, 9. So you're not going fully in the twist like this. You're just twisting so you can squeeze the belly all the way. Pull the belly in. Amazing. So we'll do this now while we're sitting down in meditation. Anything that doesn't serve you, that's your Apana Vayu. And we also engage in Apana Mudra to make this more effective. So how do we do Apana Mudra? We bring the tip of the ring finger and your tallest finger, the space element, to the tip of your thumb. And your index finger and your small finger is sticking out like this. You place it gently on your knees. And now inhale for 6. Breathe into your belly. Hold the breath for 3. Exhale, pull the belly in. Continue pulling the belly in for 9. Beautiful. Inhale 6. Hold. Exhale 9. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Inhale. Hold. And exhale. Now we continue increases the length of the hold. So inhale for 6. Hold for 6. Exhale 9. And as you're holding, engage Mula Bandha, root chakra lock. Inhale 6. Hold. Exhale 9 completely. Pull the belly in towards the spine. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Three more times. Inhale. Hold. Exhale. Inhale. Hold. And exhale. Inhale. Hold. Beautiful. Exhale completely. Continue exhaling, exhaling. And let go. And feel both energies upward and downward in your body. So as you inhale, feel the energy rising up through the spine. And as you exhale, feel this energy going down through the spine towards the root chakra, grounding you. So we'll sit in meditation for 2 minutes and just focus on the energy rising up as you inhale and energy rising, going down as you exhale, descending. And come into Prana Mudra for this. 2 minutes of silence, just observe the body energy. So by understanding these different concepts, we will be able to nurture your own inner tree, your body holistically. So this week we just talked about 2 Vayus, the Pranic Vayu and the Apana Vayu. In the next session, we'll go through other things which are going on in the body, the next 3 Vayus in the body. So just practice these for this week, and then we'll see you in the next week. Before you go, take this journey deeper. Download the free Prana Activation Ebook and guided pranayama meditations. The link is in the description below. If this session helped you feel calmer and more connected, you'll love the holistic membership. It gives you complete access to our 9-week Prana series and all 9-day breathwork and meditation courses from the School of Breath. You can also watch everything anytime on the School of Breath app, available on Apple and Google Play. Let's take the next breath of our evolution together. Join the membership and start your prana journey today.